Hello and thank you for watching our instruction video. Today we'll be installing the 8061 front swivel wheel shopping cart. I will give you a brief introduction on the parts that come with your package. Firstly, it's the main shopping cart. Then we have a small bag of hardware which includes 6 washers, 2 springs, 2 cotter pins, and 2 locking pins for the tires, rear tires in the back. Those are the 2 locking pins, the large mandrel for the back, 2 large tires for the back, and the front swivel wheels. So now we're going to install the rear mandrel for the rear tires. You insert it through the 2 main frames in the rear of the cart. Now we'll just show you where we have the 2 holes that hold the cotter pin. Make sure they're aligned in the middle on each side of the cart. You attach 1 cotter pin on each side so it locks the mandrel in position. You then insert a washer on each side of the mandrel. You then insert the spring on each side of the mandrel. Another washer on each side of the mandrel. The large tire. The final washer on the outside by inserting this tire in and pushing it so the spring allows some space. You then put in the black end cap. You align it with the hole that's on the mandrel so you will be able to insert the final thin pin. And then each side gets bent back. And when done properly, this locks the tire into place so it won't be popping out. You follow the same instructions for both sides, and that completes the installation for the rear tire. We'll now do the installation for the front wheels. It's a very simple step. The swivel wheel gets inserted into the front frame and just locks into the position with a locking mechanism inside of the swivel front wheel. You insert it with a little bit of pressure. When you hear that noise, it's clicked into place and attached. Here is another example of the same procedure. There you go, and that completes the installation of the shopping cart. Your final product should look like this, and you are then ready to go on a nice excursion to the grocery store.